Okay, so I think this whole video is going to be a full voiceover and maybe a little bit of musical montage here and there. But right here, I actually am cleaning up from the day before. Yep, I left my stuff there. After 2 facials, I had a long day. I usually don't do that, but if you don't tell nobody, I won't either. But anyway, I'm cleaning up from that, so I'm putting all the products away. I already washed my bowls and whatever other tools I used, and now I am making more barbicide. I had to refill my container. I pretty much do that every day, but like I said, I left out of the studio in a rush, so I did that this morning. And that little quick clip was me turning on my air purifier, but clearly that wasn't long enough. Right here, I am refreshing my hand sanitizer. Now we're going to go into making some more lash bath kits. I had a new client coming in today, and all my new clients get a free lash bath kit. Anything, any refills after that are obviously they have to pay for. But I do try to recycle or just keep down on the plastic by allowing them to bring in their previous container cleaned, dried, and ready for more lash shampoo. So that's a great way to save money and also cut down on some waste. And your client doesn't want to have to either throw away all those pump bottles or even store them around their house. So having them bring their pump bottle in, as long as it's in good shape and it's clean, is a great way, like I said, to cut down on costs and to also help our beautiful Mother Earth. So this is distilled water that I'm adding in, and as you saw earlier, I used the Prolong lash shampoo concentrate. So I just put a little bit of that at the bottom. I add distilled water, and then once I cap it off, I shake up well, and I also tell my clients to do the same. So here's the little bag that my lash bath kit is going to go in for my new client. I always add 2 spoolies and a business card. You can also add like a makeup brush or a lash cleansing brush. But a lot of my clients say they like to use the spoolies to clean. And I actually do the same thing when I'm doing a lash bath for my clients in the studio for their fill or full set. At this point, I am just ripping some tape so that I have my strips ready to go for my clients for the day. I am all out of my Next Care tape. I was also supposed to receive an order today or a package today with more tape, iPads, which I'm also out of, as well as glue and some other things that I was low on supply. I'm just refilling my clean tweezers or lash tweezers. I got that little clear container from the Dollar Tree, and it was actually meant for toys or like little figurines, but I'm using it for my tweezers. And here's my beautiful client. I actually removed her previous set, which was done by somebody else. So we're just removing here. Normally I would have gel pads underneath just as an extra barrier, but I was super careful. So we got the job done in spite of. Sometimes you got to make do with what you got, Here's the mess that was left. And here's her beautiful new set, as well as fresh brows.